see. Oh, there. Look, there's the ribbon. Can you pull? Pull right. No. There, pull out. Pull. Pull hard. Pull hard. Pull hard. Okay.
What do you think it is, Mitchell?
I don't know.
Take a guess. What do you think?
I don't think
You
Huh?
don't think it right now?
Huh.
What do you think it is? Take a guess.
I don't know.
I'd like to have his face. Okay.
Can you turn around? Here, look over here. Stand over here on this side. Now try it.
I don't know.
Here, stand up. Can you look at Mommy?
It's a...
I don't know.
Here. Pull the plastic off.
A bicycle.
A bicycle?
A new bicycle? Oh, wow. Do you like it? Oh, boy. Look at that. It even has a brake and a bell. Wow. That's great for Melena's nap. Mitchell, you look fantastic. Put the kickstand up. And there he goes.